Here I am in a crawl space trying to inspect the anchor bolts on the sill plate. And how do I know what I'm looking for? Well, InterNACHI has a pre-drywall inspection course on foundation anchorage. And here's a picture of me holding an anchor bolt at the top of a foundation wall. Now, there are some code requirements about these bolts. Home inspectors are not code inspectors, but we use code in order to help us perform inspections. There has to be 2 bolts per plate of the sill plate, and they can't be more than 6 feet apart. It has to be at least 7 bolt diameters from the plate end, and no more than 12 inches from the plate end. And that's in the pre-drywall inspection course. And here's an illustration of the bolt in the top of the foundation wall. 1/2 inch anchor bolt, 6 feet on center max. And if you click the pre-drywall inspection checklist for foundations, here's the checklist you can use for your software. Check their anchor bolt diameter and the spacing between them. 2 bolts per plate, middle third of the plate width, within 12 inches from the end, not less than 7 bolt diameters away. And that's based on the International Residential Code. Again, home inspectors are not code inspectors, but we use code as the standard to determine whether something is wrong or right. And in the 2024 IRC, International Residential Code, R40316, foundation anchorage, we can see the 1/2 inch diameter, no greater than 6 feet, middle third of the width of the plate, at least 2 bolts per plate, 1 bolt no more than 12 inches from the end, and at least 7 bolt diameters from each end. InterNACHI's gallery has a bunch of illustrations and sketches to help inspectors communicate their observations about anchor bolts at the foundation wall. And we have a ton of home inspection checklists to upload into our software. This helps us be more efficient and reduce mistakes. To get to the illustrations that you can put in your report, log into your dashboard, click Marketing, scroll over, and click the Home Inspection Image Gallery. Search for Foundation, and there you go. And that's how I inspect anchor bolts during a home inspection.